Teacher them for inside country, they don't talk to me in governor. He continue for the do them work so that them too they go fit for teach picking them. Sabi say na one of the trunk talk that will happen for plenty side them as we teacher them say they be glad them big day. This afternoon we go show now as we glad it be pass for that side so for Manjo and even for Penja side for this side. Now so to go take on and enter for Kumba for talk as we big today for teacher them if it happen. Torito for this afternoon we go take una we talk this other palava them palava for slaughterhouse. Now for side where they call them same banga where people there they the key beef they don't talk say make mayor it make them roads down for say they go for upside way don't just come up for Bilam. We go talk to inside the same Tori as we man to man talk he finish and Sabi say one of the turn talk now say make thing then turn back to normal for inside northwest and southwest today. We go enter for one of the town them for showing as we live it start for that side. Now so too we go bring una as we newspaper them to the sea waiting way it pass inside the week. Big part up for this afternoon it tell we say na over neck it bring a wahala say over neck it bring trouble for sick as say people them where they get a neck they know the everyone hear the truth. They say over neck it bring trouble now for sick and why that way people them where they get neck they know the hear person way it talk true. Big part up it come on now for that side so for holy ground for synod office for Boyam and Nasango Tikumusu Kasa Chalem is send we big part up for this afternoon at the turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people. Them we go start Tori for this side with palava for a woman a teacher day. We sabi say big day for teacher them. It be pass on Saturday and we say before we come for the level now teacher then say where they teach we make we take una enter for see as we big day for teacher it happen for inside that place where they call them say Mongo division will be pass for that side so for inside Manjo as soon as the CM big day for teacher it be then a time for teacher then say for come for big place where they so Gando say it happen and now for the way they so teacher them to the talk wait where they worry them. So that make big people then too they be they prepare big people there they be they make them say they try for here then they put a small pen on top to it happen. Teacher then say they don't do fine they be show them inside this chapter as soon as the CM it be then a chapter 2 for March for plenty of the teacher them for that side so for inside Manjo whether na private on government school them all them glad for that side so for Penja it be then a big glad as we teacher them too they be enter for inside big arrangements and them too they be use the chance for talk semen governor it continue for the respect them commandeer where they don't give them make teacher they no must work out before they beg for money sabi saying Gando end now with him mash after it be then for under item 11 as we teacher then say they meet up for inside the different place and for glad their big day it be then for Saturday for inside Manjo and Penja as one as him. Make we hear just now as well the team be passed. Now for no comment inside Manjo. Yes, teacher them too they be show picking them say no be now only palava for whole chalk, whole cane, whole pen. They sabi too for do small thing them and now for that side for Manjo. Make we hear some of the teacher then talk for Jackie Nomolomi microphone.
BHN Njombe, Government Bilingual High School, Njombe. We will not complain because principal, in a good man, he would understand all teacher them. Permanent or no permanent, would they okay? See the work of fun. I think say two the may would enjoy. Now this big day for teacher them. And this day, na Sunday, would forget chalk, would forget student them, would enjoy, would take ourselves we dey happy with our colleagues dem. We dey call on government, make government can help non-governmental teacher dem wey dey struggle for say make students dey receive lesson dem for class. If government for fit contractualize dem, make give dem small contract, so make dem too dey start enjoy as the other permanent teacher dem.
See wey e dey make you dey enjoy na say at least for this day we get the opportunity for come out, all of we were there for inside this teaching field, for come out for show say the profession wey we choose am, we like am, and we dey out for build future Cameroonians, future citizens wey dey go look all this country fine. If I be get for score our principal, I go give 90% because he really be a good administrator and he be a humanitarian. He know the only work with professionalism, but he be sociable. He dey gather people. Na person wey fit gather people. Na person wey fit bring peace.
Yes, inside Mongo division for Manjo and Penja, Tinde Biwaka fine. Make we enter to for Kumba. Make we talk as we a teacher a be happen for that side. So for Kumba, normal na time we normal dika na time. Place it be get for flop for that side. So for inside Kumba, but we be get some few people there they be come out and it be then a first assistant for SDA officers away. It can happen this big day for that side. So for inside Kumba big day when a teacher then says they be get for come out for come match beds chair them they be they empty. We be get some teacher them where they be come out they be tie hard they become match. It no be there na country Sunday as well be don't pass for other day them for that side. So for Kumba for Sekawa die be for Simoto and other people them bet no man for Kumba it no be even get an interest for this big day for teacher way pass for Saturday even as well some of the teacher them they be come out for make match for that side. It be then a big day for them and they be come out even as we they no be dey them plenty. As we talk for that side for Kumba, as we big day for teacher they happen for grandstand for different sides. We be get na people there they be do their normal binet. As soon as see town it no be quiet as we be so quiet. We be get people there they be the tonton inside town for Kumba their normal binet it be the happen. They no be get no interest for palava way teacher they be the glad their big day for sika waiting. We sabi say inside Kumba them say they hear the hot for this strong palava we don't make country it hear but we go take on enter for teacher day when we turn back for afternoon for see as we big day to be passed for that side for Bamenda. Sabi say for Bamenda side self teacher they no be fit for go glad for grandstand for place where they ever get them for Commercial Avenue. They be glad now for inside delegation. So we go turn back for that one when we turn back for Tori for a morning time. Just now we go take on we enter for different chapter for this side. Yes, it concern na slaughterhouse from Banga country people them na new slaughterhouse that we oga mayor he make am but since we make am 2 years it don't pass people they ready the key beef for that side. So from Banga they don't deny say they no go the key beef for inside that house even as we sabi say the place is clean. Their big problem na say water in no day for up day on top the same place side where they build that house people they dish down for ground where when they key beef blood it go meet up people them for ground. So they deny 2 years it don't pass where they make that slaughterhouse but people them from Bangam they don't deny. Just now they don't so continue for key beef. Now for the old slaughterhouse we normal oga mayor be don't talk say they get for come up for them but sabi say the people there they key beef for Mbanga side they don't talk say now for the place where they prefer for continue for the key their beef them. Now for sika waiting they say the place it dey fine and you know the worry no man for inside Banga they na mean say if they key beef blood wey come up for here it go for normal place where no man you know the hair hot. On top the same chapter these people then where they use the oak slaughterhouse they don't talk say it dey so now for sika say water it dey for here. So their only problem it be dey na palava for road where it dey so they no get am for come up for this old slaughterhouse go for road. Now mean say when you see and they drag beef so for kill am last when they kill am plus water wey dey for corner their problem now for climb hill carry that beef take and go right for uphill. Now the big problem that way they talk say mayor if for only do and say he can't open them roads so that motor them too they fit calm down carry the beef them and even fix that old slaughterhouse. Make we hear some of them talk for we.
Yeah, no problem for which about what they find for you. I think may become say one go to about for up there for don't deny before what are they what I know they for up. Except for right where don't you come for up what I know they do. We problem for you no only deal with I think come deal with so like a problem don't finish. For what are they for people, what are they for Basaya.
You don't mean you work for you because the one met that but for them they never ask no man. They carry and go put up for play way what I know they. You really can't work for you, root no day because what are they for you? For they, a day for million people. They don't feel carry shit to what a block begin to wait for the land for key the other people again. Root no day. Root day for dancer bed for you, root no day you work for you because what are they for you? About what they for play way what are they? After you've been to when they ask them for people. Like that money when they don't fix the abattoir. They don't take the money, fix the road. Fix the abattoir, play them for your fine. They fix a mere road, motor the enter for your carry. We don't see where you suffer, you carry maybe enough for head now. Before they go put up for corner go run there. That's why you suffer for ya. Now only for can fix you go for ya, fix the abattoir. The abattoir they fine, play them for your fine. Now only the road when the female can for we for ya, all thing will be fine.
Palava for place where they slaughter beef just for Sabi to say inside Banga them near them too. They don't talk say this palava for northwest and southwest so they don't the enter for inside town. Them too they get for look inside the palava now for Sikawai that way commandant Chope Bebe Nyem and even man with the column they call it Esaga Bonaventure. Them says they don't she done for try for make a particular control. If they a special one for motor the way they pass inside Banga, one day they come out and one day they enter. Sabi say plenty village where they for corner Banga where they for boundary with Asawes. Them too they don't hear bad now for Sikawai that where they two big people them commander the man where they call it Bebe Nyem and even Esaga Bonaventure. Then say they decide for talk say no, they no get for continue for live and say make some kind of thing they happen. Sabi say Banga now for there were plenty of these people there they run come up for Norwest and Southwest they dishidon and security nothing where they get for look at them. Make we hear wait away some of the people them from Banga. They talk for Gaston.
Outside don't back. The fans them became make down control. All time for say outside they done how they been first time because they don't back. You there for you know the rest. For take some food thing when they need for make them for upside here. We no fun.
The day the captain Esaka. We there from Banga here. We don't say when I don't knock food for down. For me, say mean no harmful thing, no enter from Banga here. We see how we were discharge motor. When make effort, say mean no bad thing, no pass. Anything lost, even engine lost, to the whole bring come back.
We go left that side from Banga for security. We go so remain for near them office. This time now for inside Douala here country people them. We near them say for side for Douala here. They don't talk say no way. Thief people them they no go so continue for the worry people then to the she don't look am. Now the three thief boy then that where they catch them as soon as they see them Jiko Augustine, Tani Isufa and Jumnu Robert Raul as so you see them when they catch them. The boy them as we head boy for NSSF talk for we. They say na boy the way they don't the worry people them for that side so for Bonaberry and even for place where they call them say Bonamusadi. Now for Sika plenty control them or plenty complain where the people them for Bonaberry and even Bonamusadi they don't give them for office on Nyem. Now for Sika why that way they so they enter for start for investigate for see as well they fit catch them. As well they catch them now they gun them that way they pick out to them. No ask me as well they manage get the gun them who side they get them whether they buy them or na say they go hire and rent them. Now they gun them that when they hold them with them where they use them thief people them for that side so for inside Bonaberry and Bonamusadi. As so the talk just now according to Nye they say they go hold them they go help them for talk side with them come be where they work with them say they hide. We left that chapter for thief. We enter for this palava for Norwest and Southwest. Sabi say a weekend way job pass. Particular for Friday. The one a part 1 for 2 way pass. inside Douala here. As we 54 people that they catch them on top this palaver for Northwest and Southwest. They be get their freedom. Now for inside military court for Douala here with the one, it be happen. Sabi say plenty of them the day where they be vexed for seeker the kind of condition where they be the look of them, but just now they don't glad say they don't left them. Sabi say the one now after when Kunkuma is sign book say made they left them. Now the same thing will happen to for you in the military court as we 25 we be get people them for that side. So for Yawende, country people them with them to the BB for inside the same chapter for Norwest and Southwest where they be left them. They be them 25 for that side. So for Yawende, we be get 23 man picking them and 2 women them where it so them to they be left them for inside court for Yawende for Friday. Sabi say them too. They be there for under the same group for people that way Nkunkuma is sign book. Say me the 11. Sabi say total they be there 333 where they be sign books, say me they left them on top this palaver so we the pass for Northwest and Southwest. This one now they self way national man to man talk it be finished. 2 Ngondere they be there and 23 man picking them total where they left them for Yawende. Since we there for inside palaver for sorry had them sabi to say for inside place where they call them say court Yawende military court it be dey busy. On Saturday, also we get people them too for Professor Maurice Kamto. So na the CM, it be then a big lot as we a Valsero, where be they one of the Mutumbu people there, they be catch them with Professor Maurice Kamto, where they don't shit down for inside Ngata for more than 8 months. Then say they be get freedom, it be then for on Saturday. Sabi say apart from them, we be get people them too, like Penda Ekoka, we get even Alben Zongang, and even people there like Celeste Jamen Moku, no forget Barrister Michel Ndoki too, when are some of the strong people in that where they be there for corner Professor Maurice Kamto, where they be catch them just for seek this peaceful worker, where they be make them on top chapter where they talk say they so they be make patcha for vote for get with new Kunkuma for October moon. But just now Kunkuma be sign book on Friday and on Saturday all them they be get their freedom. Sabi to say also they be the left them population for back Professor Maurice Kamto be dey plenty for Sikada one security too it be dey plenty for corner military court as well Ketu and even near them say they be full up for outside. The one now for say make population in no over glad pass as we they left Professor Maurice Kamto, Alben Zongam, Penda Ikoka and even the other people then where they be dey tron for back Professor Maurice Kamto. Sabi say the confusion it be start for that side so for military court apart from that side so te for a house for inside Yawende country people them population be come out for glad say their own president for Cameroon Renaissance movement don't come out and President Professor Maurice Kamto way be president for CRM party he don't talk say they so they don't come out he never mean say fight it don't end they go so continue for fight and he no go be in a fight with some person he go die but na peaceful fight where they go so continue for get and so glad it be there for all corner after we it be get freedom we don't shit down from Ngata for more than 7-8 months on top palaver for vote where it be happen inside we country. We go enter back small for chapter for man to man talk. It has finished and one of the trunk will be come up for them. They be talk say they go give special status for Northwest and Southwest. Queen Elisa a country talk and Emmanuel Macron a country talk when are the 2 country talk the way they use them. No pacha no go dey. Make we hear wait way Honorable Mbandam a be talk as we big the national man to man talk a finish.
You know say ever since we this thing be start, if we don't do them the way we would do them now, we don't forget the kind problem, the killing and the dying, destruction of villages. If the whole country we don't come to them so talk the palaver. Now we finally we don't come join for talk. I hope say it will bring we solution for the problem. We will get them for Northwest and Southwest. We don't try with best, but we will only do result time way the final decision we will take and go come out for outside. We will see whether country agree with thing we will do or they no agree. But I check say all man will come here come with good heart. He check say me will fix the country back. Me peace return for Northwest and Southwest. So that crisis will end. All man will come here and man will get that good heart for look and so. Anything will come out good, na good. If they don't want to fix the whole Cameroon, they only want to fix my own side where I come out. What will be your problem? To go like we think. Because I know say this constitution we will get now, if we don't provide already since 1996, say they will treat some specific regions, some areas for special way. If we the assembly will give you 2 state federation, we want give you 1 state for one side. Me I no go deny, I go take am.
Yes, we'll be talked to with Pa Ndikum Peter. It be dinner for commission where they be talk, palaver for book, palaver for education. For that side, Muku ye.
Papa for picking them where they know they go school. I come so I find all the place where Papa picking them there and the private school the day. My commission will be at the one for education. We enter inside commission for education. We discover say plenty fine thing them there. Where they don't do them for education because they get some big education jungle where they call them say education forum. And we agree, say thing when Anglophone education may remain Anglophone education, may they don't dirty them. Thing when a Francophone education may remain Francophone education, may they don't dirty them. But all the 2 education, then they go train one person way if he be Cameroonian. And make the open opportunities in the country for the one way study for Francophone side and the one way is study for Anglophone side. Government with Francophone brother them, with sister them. Come for the meeting, I see them say, the plaba they really do for their heart. Because some of the talk say this so they own begin the 2 they go school on the side, where no day. I dey turn back now and have a talk for Papa and for Mommy them for picking them. For inside Anglophone area say, we don't over suffer. No put suffer on top suffer. The Toru will come for this, so I don't see on my eye. Say something will come over there.
Yes, Pa Ndikum Peter, chapter for book. We be meet up to with Mami way it be the work now for commission where they come out gun for the boy their hand. Each eye for tell we the thing when come now, it don't do I'm just now.
Government don't talk say this picking them now they are picking. And they talk say if they picking them, me they put the gun there for down, me they leave that war. Not them. They decide for leave the war. Then they come out come. When they come out come, they will put them for that center. The way government don't make them. They also one they already there. Instead of a commission, we talk say me they make more of that center them. So that when the picking them come, they will go for day. Then when they want to for them, they will train them. 1 or 2 they really make me picking them. The vex now say when army they come for inside village, they kill the mommy them for that picking them in front of the picking them. They see them. It don't make most picking them now. They pick gun too. Say if you kill my mommy too, I try to kill your own mommy too. Now the team don't make them picking them won't go wild. So government they talk down and say that kind of vex way picking them get and so they will find way for inside that school for begin train them. How for know the vex plenty. So that when person do you bad, you too if you tell the person say okay you don't do me bad, I don't forgive you.
And maybe try for tell we to as we work for that their commission be happen. Make una hear you.
No way people they talk for here, they see as anything know the worker. Because two people they be one time. They be want some other say we come for them for come begin write plenty document them again. Cameroon already get document them. The document they don't find, they will look the part the way they don't find the change them.
Yes, and people them way they give them a point. Wait you want them.
They put any man for post. If they put for post, you do the work, they get you put you for prison yard and they take things the way you don't take and when government don't give you forgive your people. Because now the population for ground they fight. But the people they for here, all we don't come here so we lead at them, we do for here. We need to join up for top or they say we sorry for two or don't do for it. We don't win that part very badly. You understand no? And population do for down there too, they still plan for win that part again. Because the people the way they do for here, lead at them, they need to talk through.
We go just finish on top that chapter. Sabi say as we man to man be in. Na so too be get new group for Amber Boy then way they so they be showy for ya when they say them too they don't left their gun. It be na the 3rd group for Amber people the way they talk say they left gun inside this chapter for man to man talk. We it finish for Yawende for Saturday. Just for Sabi say as we man to man talk be the end for Yawende. One of the trunk talk for Prime Minister Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute. It be then I say make thing then turn back to normal Today, make we enter for Kumba for try for see whether thing them they don't turn back to normal for town. Na Kumba that as soon as see am so country people them today when na Monday, place it be so remain quiet for inside Kumba when na the normal country Sunday where these people them or people them for Kumba they don't she don moto no be the waka, Okada no be the waka, people them say they no be the turn as we all place is also remain quiet. Today when na Monday and we population for Kumba it don't she don for house. For one side, for that side, so for Mabanda, country people them, it be then people them say for inside Mabanda where they be run, they be dance, they enter na for inside B camp, for that side, so for inside Mabanda. They glad, it be then say, they don't glad say uniform people them or B people them, they don't come make security just now, it dey for inside Mabanda. Now for Sika why that way, the population for Mabanda, they be even come out elephant sesep, a fasa moto, it be come out, as well the whole flag for Cameroon for dance with be them so they go give peace plant and Cameroon flag for be them for inside that side so for Mabanda sabi say camp e dey for that side and the one be there for before I for a DO for Kumba 3 they call it Polewane Veclin and other big people them papa them too they be make contribution for that side so for inside Mabanda. We go hear small wait away population for that side for Mabanda they talk for women Nzaibwe.
We Mabanda people, man and woman, mommy and baby, we thank God plenty for this suffer. We don't come, we don't suffer for the Mabanda. God don't send me our brother there for come we for suffer. We be suffer. The papa God us not ever suffer. So fast we are brother there with the day until we are picking them. God to cast away our mommy too. Mabanda be not for bush. Our mommy too, our sister, our picking. We don't come move with our forest. Now we don't see light. We don't see so many things that we will not be not see at all. We return military them for the help, for the secure, for the caring, for the protection they don't protect you. We to return them. And to the beg papa God, the beg the military say, as the days are our land Mabanda, they know nothing, they not happy for them.
This my group, Malay dance group. We don't thank the government. We be happy. We don't get a problem in Mabanda. Our school activities they go smoothly, except from one small corner where they saw we call it Tombe Road. But they try for Wally. But within us here, Mabanda native and Kuma Road. Even right now, as you see them, they guard we here. So me too and we all, we thank you.
Very happy and comfortable. They don't make our minds away. They don't go. I mean, for this time, they don't make us so. Praise may be a successful one. For the Southwest and the Northwest, they can be one and very happy. When they see me, they don't fear.
Yes, and Sabi said the one be then a palava for people them inside Mabanda and be them where they be make combi them. Small dance to be there, we go show na small, we go finish them tomorrow we'll come back for morning time. Kombi for inside Mabanda population and uniform people they glad for that side. That's why they be even can give them to small mala for hold their belly with them. We finish story with palava for woman Damba. Them says the day for that side so for Ujana Sports Center. Now for Democratic Republic of Congo, we woman Damba team they prepare for NAC with woman team for Democratic Republic of Congo. Damba they come now on Tuesday. Sabi say for inside Cameroon here last week. They be knocked the Democratic Republic of Congo woman them 2-0 and the one now for see who he go play for African side for Olympic Games where it go happen for Tokyo for 2020. So woman Damba team if they win DR Congo tomorrow, Sabi say they go meet up with Persiway go win Ivory Coast and Nigeria their match for the next round. Now so we finish story for this afternoon country people them. We get newspaper them where the day outside this afternoon. We go take 1 of red to read them where they for outside just for Sabi say to read them for this afternoon. The day plenty. If we know if we get newspaper them for 6 hour time, make we take this announce where they for we before we get case for Persiway it don't lost. Persiway don't lost where it dey for outside. Now this mommy we they call it say say Bongi Frida, and they talk say lost since for number 6 day inside this moon wey na a Sunday, and the mommy he come up for their family house for that side, so for Barcelona, and they no sabi side way he go, he come up for us around 5 o'clock. So certain now they define the mommy, they never fit for see am. So they beg any person way he see this mommy, make he call that tingly number them way he dey for before tele 677-630-99694-976-840-698-681-15 or you bring them for Equinox Tori House. They say plenty dash anyway too. Now to read them that for this afternoon, we go turn back tomorrow. On a whole, I'm tight.